I've always been drawn to performance. In high school, theatre became my creative outlet, a space where I could really express myself. I grew up in a small town called Orareka, Russell. I was always searching for ways to express myself, and in Year 9 I found it, through theatre. Coming from a small town, finding opportunities was tough, but I knew this was what I wanted to do. I'd couch surf during rehearsal weeks, spend hours reading scripts, rehearsing, performing, whatever it took. In Year 13, I won Best Actress. That's when I realised this isn't just something I do, it's who I am. When I started looking at universities, Waikato stood out. The community here is supportive and the opportunities in theatre studies and dance are incredible. At Waikato, I've been able to dive into both theatre and dance. The practical experience, the public performances and the chance to push my boundaries have been amazing. I've learnt so much about what theatre can do, and I'm excited for the future. To anyone out there with a dream, don't hold back. Waikato has given me the tools to chase mine. Where will yours take you? Start your journey in theatre and dance at Waikato. Enroll now.